I love to write poetry, and I had a book published about 5 or 6 years ago, which is called Imbroglio, The Chaos That Creates, which is a collection of poetry. And I'm a postgraduate from the University of Leeds in UK, where I pursued my post-graduation in English literature, and then I was back in Bangalore to pursue English literature, teach English literature, and also theatre. So most of my background has been in theatre, and some of the work in theatre that I have done is a show called Hoga Kal Sunera, which was telecast across 147 countries worldwide, and also the first Michael Jackson musical in India that was headed by me. The other of my hobbies include cooking, include reading, and include meditating. Here at Openhouse, I hope to be teaching English literature through a lot of theatre, using a lot of theatrics. So we're going to have fun. We're going to be reading literature and also learning through a journey of English literature. My name is Divyesh Bhandari. Please do come and join us, learn with us at Openhouse.